As a new mom, I know I sometimes find myself on the bottom of my own to-do list. So I was wondering, is there an easy, inexpensive way to add a treat for myself to our normal, everyday weekly shopping? I do most of my shopping online. Are there any secret treats hiding on Amazon Prime that would make a new mom feel extra special? This is the $10 New Mom Amazon Challenge. I've given myself a budget of $50. We are going to go on Amazon Prime, search new mom to see what the algorithms and the internet think we would like, and I'm gonna order the first 5 things I see that are under $10. When everything arrives, we will unbox it together and see whether or not they're new mom worthy. Should we start shopping? So the first thing looks like this new mom coloring book. What do you think? I'm not sure when I'm gonna have time to color, but it actually looks pretty cool. Should we add it to the cart? All right, let's keep going. Oh, I didn't think about this. So, these socks, these are actually socks for labor. These are socks for delivering a baby, which super cool if you're an expecting mom, but since this little one's already here, I'm gonna skip since I don't need these right now. Nice toes. Oh my gosh. 50 experiments you can perform on and do with your kids? I mean, we'll try it. The next thing is a really cute book. Charlotte and I actually read at least one book before I go to work every morning, so this would be a really nice treat. You want a new book to read together? Yes. I'm noticing that these are all books, which I guess I should expect with the price point. But I do wish there was something that was a little bit more of a treat for mom versus a book or something to do with the baby. Oh, this could work though. This is a Burt's Bees pack. I tend to use baby-friendly products on myself anyway since I'm nursing, so this actually might be a nice treat. Ah, they get you though. It's only under $10 if you subscribe. What do you think? Can we swing the other 19 cents? We're gonna do it. Okay, so the next thing I see, notes to my daughter. That's very sweet. I have a few notes that I wrote for Charlotte when I was pregnant. I think I know where they all are, but it would actually be nice to have them all in one place. All of the items are in our cart. We're gonna order these and we'll see you guys when they arrive. Our packages have arrived. We're gonna open everything up. Let's see, first this one. Okay, so inside we have Mom Life Coloring Book! Look, it's a coloring book but for mommies. The pages are really nicely designed. This one looks familiar. What does that say? Wow! This would actually be a really fun baby shower gift. My first reaction when I see this is I'm not gonna have time to sit and color, but I should set aside 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is, to just kind of mindlessly fill in one of these pages. So I feel like this one we're gonna try. Okay, next up we have the Notes to My Daughter book. Let's see. I have to say I'm a little disappointed that it's not hardcover. I feel like a softcover notebook like this is sometimes hard to keep in nice shape, especially if it's something that you're gonna keep for a long time. The design is cute on the front, and looking at this and I'm thinking this is such a nice idea. I just wish that the quality was a little bit better. I might return this one, but I definitely feel like I'm going to search online to see if I can find a better version of a Notes to My Daughter notebook, because this is such a cute idea. Okay, look! I love my mommy because. Should we read? I love my mommy because she reads me stories. Oh, this one's really sweet. It's not quite a board book, but it's also not a book that she can tear easily, which is great because we're in the page tearing stage of life, right? This reminds me of another book we have called My Mom's Awesome. When it's the 20th or 30th book you've read that day, it is a nice little boost to have the message be something encouraging for mom. Okay, so this is going in the keep pile. Oh, I forgot that everything is pretty much books. Okay, what's this one? 50 amazing science projects you can perform on your kids. This is hilarious, but terrifying. So each chapter is an experiment, and the experiment aren't scary things you would do. They're more like activities that we can do together, and they go up until 24 months, so that's 2 years worth of activities in one book that cost us less than $10. This would also be a great baby shower gift. And finally, we have our Burt's Bees Baby Starter Kit. You can't put that one in your mouth though, can you? You can just touch it. Thank you very much.
Charlotte says, is that a cup for me to touch?
Is that a freaking cup, man? Thank you. Daddy Karen gave mommy a coffee and took your laundry? A+. Now that I'm actually looking at this, I'm realizing that this is more of a treat for baby than it's a treat for a new mom. I think I might return this just because I don't need all of these small travel size containers. So I think unfortunately this one might be going back. So let's look. We have 3 keeps and 2 returns, which seems pretty good considering the fact that this was an experiment. We have a coloring book for me, a book for us to read together, and a book of experiments, which we figured out is just activities that we could do as a family. I do wish that I found something that was more of a treat for a mom, like, I don't know, what do you think? Like maybe a face mask or a bath bomb, cool cup, coffee's good. Maybe a nice bra. Obviously I could search all those things individually, but that wasn't what the experiment was. The test was to see what we would get if we typed in new mom and just ordered the first 5 things that we saw under $10, and that's what we did. We are going to try out our 3 keepers and see how they do in our everyday life. Hi, Mama, thank you for those kisses. Charlotte is with my mom and I am working out of the BuzzFeed office today, so I'm going to take a little coffee break and color in my mom coloring book for 15 minutes of self-care. I'm very proud of my color choice, but this is boring as I will admit that I did zone out for a few minutes, but personally, if I have 15 minutes of free time, I would rather knit or realistically probably scroll through Instagram, but it might work for other people and this is kind of nice, so I don't think it's a total loss. I'm gonna go see if there's another BuzzFeed mom around who might benefit from this more than me. Let's try our first experiment. Number 29. I'm gonna grab 2 not often used characters from Charlotte's bath collection. The hypothesis is that she's gonna choose the one that I have a positive interaction with. We're gonna start with this one. Yeah. Oh, wow, I love you. Which one would you like? Oh, it works. Are you ready to read? This book has quickly become a favorite. I love my mommy because she reads me stories. Someone's got sleepy face. Let me know in the comments what you like to treat yourself to. Let's get a list going. And if you're interested in more Amazon challenges, let me know what I should search next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Girls,